I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to eat all those carbs. You know. For the most, like I'm eating eggs. Sometimes I eat the egg instead of the corned beef. I eat the beef loaf. But there's only certain beef loaves that are good. There's one that is. Hmm, I think it's that brand. It's called Bong. What is that brand, baby, that you have right there? Bonga. That brand, Bonga. Do not eat that one for sure. It tasted like. I mean, it's already unhealthy because it's processed, you know. But you scare me with that meatloaf tastes like plastic, bro. Like it. I don't know. It has a weird. It has like a weird aftertaste. Like it's not. It's not good, man. That brand I do not recommend. The other brands, I mean, they're okay. I got some Korean drama over here going on. But yeah, um, today I'm gonna go. Today I'm gonna go put the tire on the Lambo. That way I'll have something to do today. Besides, go to the market. I think we go to the market too. Philippines is like Asia's Mexico. A lot of people look at it that way. Drop it. Welcome to the live game. Thank you for joining. How about the like button? Oh, it has pepper. His last name is very it's Spanish. There's a lot of Spanish influence. Mm. Yeah, there's a lot of people here that have the same last name, as in, as in Hispanics, Hispanics from Central America, um, from Mexico. A lot of them have the same ones too. It just depends. Eddie Guerrero, what's up? Drinking straight coffee, like straight black coffee today. Oh, she's already frying the fish. Look.